Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. Today I present to you another vlog of my life. But before we get into this vlog, I want to just remind you guys that whoever is watching this vlog and have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and put that post notification bell on so you will be notified when I post my next video. Now today's video will be about me going to get my first COVID vaccine. So I am on my way now to there to go and do my vaccine. So I will keep you updated. So let's get in our video now. To see.
Is it okay?
Yes. Wait, no, it's not. Okay, yes, it is.
Is it okay?
Yes.
There it is.
So guys, yes, I went. You have seen it all. I did my vaccination and I am heading back home at the moment. So I will keep you informed of whatever happens, how I feel, if there's any after effects, because remember, different strokes for different folks. So I will let you all know if there's any after effect. And yes, I made this choice of my own to go and do my vaccine because here in France you are restricted. And when I say restricted, you are restricted to go wherever, whenever you want to. And because I have places that I would like to visit, things that I would like to do, so I have to go and do my vaccine because I can't take the confinement. Me can't take the confinement to the one place because I think it's gonna reach the stage where we soon can't go on the bus or the train or no form of public transportation if we don't have it. So me I make my choice from now and me make my choice and me do it because even then my class reopen for me go learn the French where me can't talk, and if me not have it, me can't go into the school. So it's 6 of one and a half dozen of the other. Yes, as we all know that saying there, and we understand what it means. So I have to do what I have to do because I have to move about, I have to go places, so I have to make the right choice. So guys, until then, I am out.